Meet Mr. Benjamin Franklin. As we all know, most famous for it being the $100 bill. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys the fastest way to make $100. The fastest way, in my opinion, to make $100 without having to put any money down. And the only things you need is a car and your cell phone. Now, let's face it, we've all been in a pinch where we could use a quick $100. For those of you that are new on this channel, you're probably wondering why am I in a grocery parking lot and why I'm staring at my phone. Now, for those of you that have been following this channel, you guys know the app I'm using. It's called Instacart. Maybe I'm gonna be a little biased here, but I believe that it is the fastest way to make a quick 100 bucks, hands down, the easiest way as well. All right, so check this out. I know that a lot of you guys have been following me forever, and you guys know how we get down on this channel. You guys know we run it up, right? For the people that are new here, now on any given day, the time that you make $100 could change. I mean, the earlier you wake up, the better. I wouldn't say I'm up super late, but I'm not up as early as I could have been. So it is 7:27 with this app Instacart. You want to wake up at 5 o'clock and be at the grocery store by 6 a.m. because that's when they start showing you orders. And as you guys can see, I see a ton of orders here with a price amount attached to them. Now, the cool thing about Instacart is you can get lucky, and there's almost no limit to how much money you can make in a day. It's just based upon how much time you have in a day, really. Now, if you was to get a $100 order every single order and did 10 orders, you can make $1,000 in a day. Now, I've never heard anyone doing that, but it's possible, right? Like, you can get lucky, who knows? Let's be honest, the chances of that are unlikely because, you know, there's a lot of people out here that also do Instacart. So there are some competitors, but even with the competitors, the chances of you making a quick $100 are still high doing ordinary batches. And that's like typical $15, $20, you know, $30 batches, and even 40 and 50, which is still ordinary. So right now it is 7:30 a.m. and we're gonna see how long it takes me to make $100 with this Instacart app. Let's get it. All right, so good news. Check this out. I just swiped my first order. It is 32 items, 46 units, and it was a $56 order. That's already half $100. It is 7:35 a.m. All right, so this is an awesome start. I'm gonna go in here and crush this right now, and we're gonna try to do the shopping really fast. And the delivery, you can't really do that fast because if you get caught speeding, you're getting a ticket. The shopping, we have full control over. So let's go in here and crush it as fast as possible and make this $100. All right, so we're inside this grocery store and we're looking for Doritos, right? Doritos. Now, I've shown a ton of me in-store shopping videos on this channel, so I'm not gonna do a full tutorial on how to shop, but just a quick note. I scanned this item right here. Check this out. You see these Doritos? These are the exact same Doritos right here. It's saying that these are not the right ones and that they're different ones. Sometimes that happens, the barcodes don't match up just because the size amount. Look, it says 14.5 ounces versus 15 ounces. It's the same thing. What you want to do is you want to force scan, right? So all you do is say skip scan, skip scanning. Yes, item is correct. Take a picture of the item, boom, and you're good to go. The shopping's pretty easy. All right, so we're almost done here. It's 7:50, and yeah, let me keep crushing it. Where am I? This is the outcome. I had to get another cart to start bagging it, but yeah, I got to take a picture of the receipt. And then yeah, we're gonna go to deliver. So yeah, let me get all this in the car and let's hurry up so we can hurry up and make that $100. The delivery is 17 minutes away, so yeah, we got to take that into account, right? 17 minutes. We finished the shopping though in under 30 minutes. So we're on our way to drop this off, and that's going to be an easy 50 plus. I say 50 plus because I'm not really sure how much of that money is going to be there at the end. It's going to be around 50 plus because I had to refund a few items because they were out of stock and replace a few items. But it may even go up because some of the items I replaced were a little bit more expensive, and she was okay with that. You got to make sure they're okay with that. Great news. I have great news. We're here. We're here. $52 for that order. Look, there it is, $52. It went down just a little bit. For those of you that's been following the channel for a while, you guys know about the red light power. I am at a red light and I just swiped a $26 batch. Now I know $26 isn't much, but it adds up. It's not 50 bucks. It's not 100 bucks, but it's gonna bring me closer to making 100 bucks. And the shop is 37 items and it's only 2 miles away from the store. So I'll take that all day. If it's less than 5 miles, that's sweet. We're gonna go in here and crush it and we're gonna see where we are and what time it is and how fast we can actually hit this 100. Let's get it. Let's get it. Did this order so fast that I might as well have an S on my chest and a blue cape on my back. Wait, is it a blue cape or a red cape? Red cape. I think it's red. I don't know. 16 minutes total. Took me 16 minutes to complete this whole order, and now we're off that. Let's just round it up to 17 minutes total shop. Let's throw in an additional 3 minutes to check out and 7 minutes to the house. Check that out, 7 minutes to the house. So in total, let's do 27 minutes total for this batch. That's almost $1 a minute for this entire batch. Let's get it. Yes, we're here again. Yes, we made it. We made it. Let's get it. All right, so here we go. Problem number 1. The customer just sent me a message saying that they're jogging or something like that. I'll show you guys the message right here. I have to scan their ID and they're not here. So I gotta wait, and it's been about 7 minutes now. So yeah, this is killing my time.
Thank you very much. So apologies again.
No, it's all good, brother. No need to apologize. I got you covered. You are all set, man.
All right, thank you very much.
Have a good day. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
So even with that horrible sit time waiting for the customer, we still managed to finish the batch by 9:36. So we are on a great schedule. $79 for the day so far, and it's only 9:30. $21 more for $100. So here's another downfall. We are sitting here and we are waiting for an order. It is now 10 o'clock a.m. and I'm still waiting. I haven't seen anything worthy of taking to hit that 100 fast. There have been orders over $21, but they're just like too many miles away, and I feel like I can get a shorter mile batch to hit that 100 faster. It is 10:01 to be exact right now, and we're still looking. So it is 10:15 right now. I finally got a batch, a $24, and this one should put us over $100. All right, so hopefully we can get this done quick. Like, this is the craziest thing. When you're trying to do something crazy, like, everything tries to stop you. So now I gotta contact support and have them help me start my batch because I am at the right location. This is ridiculous. All right, so we are finished. There was a few tricky items in this store. I don't shop this store very often, so yeah, that one was pretty tough. Along with, I had to contact support to automatically start my order because it wouldn't start, like, and that would happen on the fastest way to make a $100 video. All right, we're here, and it's 11:11. It's 11:11 and we are here. We're gonna deliver this order right now. And just like that, we are at 103 by 11:14. All right, let's be real here. There was a lot of things that happened today that actually really ticked me off. I'm not gonna lie. Like, the first thing, the guy who was on some random jog when he knew he had his groceries coming. After that, my app froze. I had to call a friend and say, hey, what type of batches do you see? They told me they seen 7, and I was looking at the same 3 batches for about 15 minutes. Then I delete the app, reinstall the app, swipe a $24 batch, which is the one you guys see me doing right now. And when I get to the store to start the batch, it's saying that I'm not at the right location and that I have to go to another location. And I'm like, are you kidding me? The day I'm trying to do a fastest way to make a $100 video, all this crazy stuff happened. And we still, with all that craziness, still hit 103 by 11:13 a.m. drop a like for this video because I'm stressed out. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload, because we're gonna do a lot of crazy stuff on this channel and it's gonna get funner and funner. So yeah, hit the subscribe if you haven't already. And there's a new channel below this video, my other channel, where I think you guys should definitely go hit the subscribe and bell on that channel, because I'm doing an experiment with that channel, trying to reach 1,000 subscribers without a single video. And then when we hit 1,000 subscribers, be ready, because it's gonna get crazy.